I'm Matt Peterson, and I own FastBottoms Hull Diving in the San Francisco Bay Area.
How long have you been doing that?
It'll be 23 years in September. This Remora Solo represents the first real technological leap, the first viable technological leap in in-water hull cleaning technology in the entire time I've been in the business. The Remora Solo is a device that I think most hull cleaners have been dreaming about. So as opposed to doing every bit of the hull cleaning work by hand, the Remora Solo takes, I'm gonna throw out a number out there, 80% of the effort out of the work. As a guy in his 50s who's been doing this for a couple of decades, I've got arthritis in both shoulders, tendinitis, all of which stems from the repetitive motion of in-water hull cleaning by hand. This kind of motion, for years, it takes a toll. The Remora eliminates almost all that. And I have no arthritis issues now. I've been using it for about 1.5 years. And so it makes the job easier, faster. This is the device that hull cleaners have hoped would come along for years and years. What I tell prospective buyers of the Remora is expect to add boats to your week because you're less fatigued at the end of the day. You can squeeze in an extra boat when otherwise maybe you thought, I'm going to get out of the water, I'm too tired. Another benefit is speed for sure, and that can add boats to your day. So a boat that you might, cleaning by hand, spend 40 minutes cleaning, maybe you spend half an hour on it, 20 minutes. Over the course of a day, that's easily, fatigue factor aside, the time savings is easily worth another boat that you can squeeze into your day. So those two things combined mean the Remora is going to earn you more money than cleaning by hand and will rapidly pay for itself. Those are the two main benefits, speed and ease of use.